Hey guys, welcome back. So I am sneaking in one more holiday glam look for you guys. This look is so beautiful. It's such a classic holiday makeup look. And yes, I'm wearing a red lip. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's jump right into the tutorial. So to start things off, I wanted to talk about this Garnier Green Labs Replumping Serum Cream. It does contain hyaluronic acid and it also has an SPF 30. Garnier was kind enough to give me this serum. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for almost 2 weeks. It makes my skin feel so soft. It plumps it up and it smells like watermelon. It's delicious. I definitely notice a difference when I don't wear it under my makeup. I just love the way my skin looks. And you guys will notice in this video how soft and just beautiful my skin looks. And I swear it's because of this serum. So to prep my lids, I'm just going to be taking this Wet n Wild concealer and I'm just going to be applying it onto my lids. I really do like this concealer. I've said before that it is a little bit drying, but I mean, I still like it, but yeah, I'm just going to use it up because I need to get rid of it. And then I just like to add some sports tape just to help keep everything nice and clean and also help me with my liner. Okay, so my friend Deborah sent this Sheglam Afterglow palette. Look how gorgeous it is. It's so beautiful. When I received it, I was so excited and I knew that I had to create another holiday glam look for you guys. So I'm just going to be taking this shade called Spritzer. This is a very unique brown. It's almost like a mustardy brown. I don't know how to describe it. I'm very bad at describing things. But I am just going to be taking that on a fluffy brush and just focusing it in my crease and my outer corner. And I'm just going to be buffing that in. It's such a gorgeous shade. It's probably one of my favorite shades in the entire palette. Next up is this dark brown shade called Truffle, and I'm just going to be focusing that on my outer corner and then gradually bringing it in to my crease as well. Next up, I'm going to be taking this shimmery gold shade called Citron, I'm not sure. And I'm just taking it on my finger and applying it to my lid. And I'm not going all the way, I'm just going about halfway. And I like to add shimmers usually with my finger just because I feel like it applies way better and the warmness of my skin kind of like helps melt it into my lid, you know? Okay. Then I'm just going back in with the dark brown shade Truffle and I'm just blending it into the shimmery shade, and I do go back in with some more shimmer just so that it all looks seamless and blends flawlessly and you can't really tell where the dark shade ends and the shimmer shade begins. Next up is this shade called Sunkissed. It looked very interesting in the pan and it has little chunks of gold glitter in it. It's so beautiful and it really made the look come together. I wish the camera would pick it up, but in person it looked very glittery. It's so pretty. Next up is this E.L.F. Cosmetics Expert Liquid Liner in Jet Black. It's all right. I am really missing my NYX liner. I just find that these liners are so hard to work with because the tip is just so flimsy. So that's why I do add tape, because it does help me create a nice, clean, crisp line every time. Usually every time, like 90% of the time. See? Nice and crisp. So for mascara, I'm just taking this CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean Mascara. This is a good mascara. I feel like it doesn't leave any black chunks on my face. So, and it does not irritate my eyes. Some mascaras do irritate my eyes, so this one I really do enjoy. I did pop on some lashes off camera. They're from Amazon. This is the BECCA Cosmetics Backlight Primer, Filter Primer. I love this stuff and it smells so good. It leaves me with a nice glowy kind of look, and I really enjoy that primer. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Dewy, another one of my favorites. Now look at my skin, how soft it looks. It looks so flawless. As you guys know, I do have dry skin and I always have trouble with texture, but I feel like the Garnier serum really softens up my skin and just makes it look really nice. And same with that BECCA primer. It just is the perfect combo. Next up is this Incognito concealer once again from Wet n Wild, and I'm in the shade Light Medium, by the way, and I'm just going to conceal certain areas of my face. To set my concealer and foundation, I'm taking this AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder in Translucent. I really like this powder. I feel like it's very light and it is not drying at all, and it does not set into my fine lines. So really been enjoying this powder, and I'm surprised because it's like $2. And if you're interested in it, you can find it at shopmissa.com. Okay, next up is this Milani Baked Bronzer in Glow. I always use this powder all the time and it's lasted me a really long time. So I do like to apply this all over my face just to bring my face back to life and give me somewhat of a color, because I was looking pretty pale, and it gives you that nice like sun-kissed kind of glow. So I really do enjoy that bronzer. Next up, I'm just taking the shade Spritzer and I'm just applying it to my lash line, and then I'm taking this Rimmel London eyeliner in Nude and I'm just applying that to my waterline just to open up my eyes and make them pop. And then I'm just finishing off my lashes with some mascara again. So to get rid of any white powder that may have fallen on my brows, I am taking this Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara from Essence, and I'm just running it through my brows just to get rid of that powdery look. Next up is this iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette, also sent over from my friend Deborah. Thank you so much for this palette, Deborah. I love it. I'm just going to be taking the bronzer and bronzing up my face, and then I'm also going to be adding some color to my cheeks by using the blush that comes in this palette as well. As you can see, I've hit pan on the highlighter shade because I love it. It's gorgeous. It's one of my favorites. Thank you, Deborah. You're the best. Okay, look at how beautiful this highlighter brush is. It's from Sheglam, also gifted to me from Deborah. It's so sparkly and glittery and it's pink. This brush is super soft and I used it to apply this highlighter, which was also sent over by Deborah. Look how cute the inside is. It's a cute little snowflake. This highlighter is very subtle, but if you do want a more intense highlight, you can definitely build it up. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in Berry Red. I posted a little teaser on my Instagram stories of this finished look, and everyone was like, oh my god, you need to wear red lipstick more often. This is the Missy and Fierce Megalast Liquid Catsuit lipstick by Wet n Wild. Now this formula is very drying, so I did top it off with a clear gloss. I don't know what happened to the footage, but yes, I did finish it off with a clear gloss. And then I'm just taking this Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray by NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be pressing that in with my sponge. And I find that this really makes your foundation and everything just melt into your skin, and I feel like it makes my makeup just look flawless for hours all throughout the day. All right, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a safe and happy holiday season. Thank you so much for all your love and support throughout the year. It means so much to me. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.